Hey everyone! Your 20s and 30s are some of the most exciting years of your life, but they can also be a financial minefield. Today, we're breaking down the 10 most common money mistakes people make in their 20s and 30s and how you can avoid them. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1, not having a budget. It's easy to overspend when you don't have a clear plan for your money. Think of your budget as your financial roadmap. It helps you know where your money is going and ensures you're not spending more than you earn. Remember, it's not about restricting yourself. It's about being intentional with your money. Mistake number 2, ignoring emergency savings. Life is unpredictable. Job loss, medical emergencies, unexpected car repairs. Without an emergency fund, these situations can quickly turn into financial disasters. Aim to have at least 3 to 6 months worth of expenses saved up. Trust me, future you will thank you. Mistake number 3, living beyond your means. It's tempting to keep up with the latest trends and gadgets, but if you're constantly using credit cards or loans to pay for things, you're living beyond your means. Focus on spending less than you earn and avoid lifestyle inflation, the tendency to increase your spending as your income increases. Mistake number 4, not investing early. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Thanks to compound interest, even small amounts invested regularly can add up to significant wealth over time. Don't be afraid to start small. What matters is starting early. Mistake number 5, overlooking retirement savings. It might seem far away, but the earlier you start saving for retirement, the easier it will be to enjoy your golden years. Take advantage of employer-matched 401k plans or start your own IRA. Even small contributions make a big difference over time. Mistake number 6, not paying off high-interest debt. Credit card debt can be a massive financial burden with high interest rates that make it hard to get ahead. Make paying down high-interest debt a priority to free up more money for savings and investments. Mistake number 7, skipping insurance. Insurance might feel like an unnecessary expense until you actually need it. Health insurance, car insurance, renters, or homeowners insurance. All these protect you from potentially devastating costs. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Mistake number 8, not building credit wisely. Your credit score affects everything from loan approvals to renting an apartment. Avoid opening too many credit accounts, making late payments, or maxing out your cards. Instead, use credit responsibly to build a solid financial reputation. Mistake number 9, falling for lifestyle inflation. As you start earning more, it's tempting to spend more, but increasing your spending in line with your income means you're not saving or investing more. Instead, try to keep your lifestyle the same and invest the extra income. Mistake number 10, not seeking financial education. Personal finance isn't something you were born knowing. Take time to read books, listen to podcasts, or watch videos, just like this one. The more you learn, the better your decisions will be, and the more confident you'll feel managing your money. There you have it, 10 common money mistakes to avoid in your 20s and 30s. Remember, it's never too early or too late to start making smarter money choices. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to MoneyMentor for more tips on mastering your money.